Hi, I'm Peter Chapman. I'm the head teacher of TAS here at Toronto High School. These short clips you're about to watch offer you a little bit more information regarding the subjects that we offer here for Year 11 and 12. Our next lot of subjects are vocational education subjects. These are category B subject, which means that if you are looking for an ATAR, you can do one of these subjects, do the examination in the HSC, and the marks can go towards your ATAR. With our Category B vet subjects, we have a number of different subjects that we offer. I suppose the important things to think about are that the examinations in our Category B subjects are optional, which means you can opt in to do the exam. And obviously, if you opt in to do the exam, you would be probably chasing marks for your ATAR. However, you don't have to do the exam and you can just work towards the certificate, which comes from the RTO, our training organisation. Vet subjects are competency-based subjects, which means that a little bit different to our other subject, our board-developed subjects at school, where we do assessment tasks and we gain marks. With our vet subjects, we're doing competency-based work. So we're looking at industry-level skills so that we can tick our students off in whatever field they're looking at and gaining their certificate. That certificate can be used at a TAFE level as a next step into an apprenticeship, or to when they're going for work in their particular environment, then they can show the employer that they have gained a certificate 1 or a certificate 2 in their particular field. The other key thing for the Category B vet subject is that they have a compulsory 70 hours of work placement. That is 35 hours each year that must be done. This is a NESA requirement and is not something that we can change. If you don't do the work hours, if you don't do your work placement hours, then you can be in danger of not receiving your HSC. So that is something that must be understood when you're going into a vet subject.
Hi, my name's Matt Mulhern. I'm one of the construction teachers here at Toronto High School. Today I'm going to go over a few of the things to do with the construction course here at the school. Construction is a Category B subject. This means that students can opt in or out of the HSC exam. Most of the students that opt out of the exam, they're going down the pathway of trying to get an apprenticeship. The students that opt in to do the HSC exam, they're going for an ATAR. Now, it's a competency-based subject which tests the students out on a range of different skills to do with the construction industry. We're trying to get the students to an industry standard competency. Now, some of the jobs that we will do around the school, we don't tend to do a single personal project that the students would take home. We more look for projects, practical projects around the school, which would incorporate as many of the different skills in the one job as possible. An example might be that we might level out a patch of land, we'd survey it first, have a look at it, dig, level, form up, lay a slab. We might then build a wall frame, we might do a bit of brick or block work, do some tiling, possibly a bit of roofing. Hopefully all these skills incorporated in together gives the students a little bit of an idea, more of an idea what happens out in the construction industry. There's a compulsory component of work placement the students must do. They do 35 hours in year 11, 35 hours in year 12. Now, there's a wide range of places that the students can go. They can go out with a relative, a parent, or if they can't organise their own, we have a system where we can actually place the students with different places around the area. These could include electricians, plumbers, roofers, painters, landscapers. The list is very wide and varied. Hopefully this has answered most of your questions that you have at this stage. If you have any more, feel free to call or get in contact with myself or Mr. Chapman here at the school.
So give some thought to the subjects that you're going to be picking for the next 2 years. Hopefully it's a subject that will help you pursue a career in whatever field that is that you're interested in. If you have any questions, obviously ring the school, talk to any of the teachers in the TAS faculty. They'll be more than happy to help you. I suppose one of the critical areas of selection, especially in the TAS subjects, are to make sure you're getting subjects from the correct category. If you're looking for an ATAR, obviously your category A subjects are important, but you can choose one category B subject. If you're not looking for an ATAR, you can choose from all of the areas that we have. So just think carefully about your pattern of study and the subjects that will satisfy the requirements in which you need. So hopefully we'll see you up here in the next couple of years.